Ang isang pinakamabisang paraan para sumaya, magpasaya ka ng iba. Sasaya ka sigurado. Magbigay ka sa gutom, magbigay ka sa mga bata, magbigay sa nangangailangan. Pero ang isang pinakamabilis lumupot, magdamot ka. May nangangailangan, may ibibigay ka pero pinagdamutan mo. Natutuwa ka dahil yung pera mo hindi nagalaw. Hindi ka naabala. Pero may lumpot ka rin. Kung aaminin mo yon, may lumpot ka. So we go back to our basic humanity. That our happiness is in making other people happy. It is a true fellowship, true worship. So we worship God in His temple among the believers, and you worship God within you. Because the Spirit of God is in your heart. Therefore, make peace with yourself. Pag sinabi mo yung self, ano yon? Yung Espiritu ng Diyos at saka yung flesh, magkasama yun ang self mo. You make peace with yourself. You make peace with God who is in you. Makinig sa usig ng budhi, makinig sa konsyensya, at kailangan matuto ka rin na tanggapin ang iyong sarili. So that you're at peace with yourself. Pag ikaw ang number one na nagre-reject sa sarili mo, dahil may iba kang gustong pagkatao, may iba kang gustong itsura, meron kang gustong ibang buho, meron kang gustong ibang height, hindi ka sasaya. Kasi you are not at peace with yourself. We are not perfect. We must move from glory to glory. We must improve and improve and improve. But you begin with accepting yourself.